Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Vidiq to create YouTube shorts. For this, first open Vidiq and log into your account. Then from this over here, go to generate. Now type anything what you like to make a video about, and then tap on generate. It will be generate a video. Then it will take sometimes. And now you will see a thumbnail, hook, and outline. uh, then you can see also an script which is generated by AI. And then what you have to do, you can do voiceover, and then you can give a description. Then what you have to do, and now you can see it from here. Then and that's how you can use Vidiq to create your YouTube shorts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.